I mean the subspace. A subspace of a vector V, vector space V, is a subset H of V that has three properties. Now, looking at the definition, makita ninyo din dapat, na ano si condition, na dapat imong V is already a vector space. Okay, dapat naka-vector space na siya. Meaning, it has satisfied all the conditions for it to be a vector space. Okay, naka-vector space na siya. Then, tsaka tamangita o subspace niya. Okay, but vector space na siya daan si V. Okay, and a subspace has three properties. First, it contains the zero vector. Okay, the zero vector. That subspace H should have the zero vector. Next is H is closed under vector addition. Okay, suppose you have U in H and V in H. Okay, the sum of U and V is in H. Okay. Next, H is closed under scalar multiplication. Okay, suppose we have scalar C. If we multiply that scalar to our U, which is in H, then that vector C times U is also in H. Okay, let's take a look at example of that. For example, this one, we let G be a vector of this form such that your A and B here are real numbers. Okay, then we have 0, third niya nga row. So is G a subspace of R3? Okay, R3, we know that R3 is a vector that has 3 rows and 1 column. Diba, R3, na-mention na ako last time. So is this vector here of this form, is a subspace of R3? So R3 here is our V. Okay, R3 is our V. And we want to know that if this G is a subspace of R3. Okay, so are you going to do that? We are going to first look at the properties. Okay, first is the zero vector. Okay, for the solution, dapat number 1, the zero vector should be in G. Okay, so sa itsura ng zero vector nimo, looks like this one. Now the question is this in G? Now remember, your first two entries here, first two rows are all real numbers. So does this 0 belongs to the real number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then lastly, the 0 nga nasa third row. So this one here belongs to G. So this condition is satisfied. Now for number 2, we have U plus V is in G. Now we let U be equal to say A1, B1, and 0. And your V is A2, B2, and 0. Now if you're going to add these two, is it still in G? Now let's take a look. So we have U plus V. This is equal to A1, B1, and 0 plus A2, B2, and 0. This is equal to, unsa? Anyone? Anyone? This is equal to what? Addition man addition. So these are all real numbers, real numbers. This is just equal to we have A1 plus A2, B1 plus B2, and then the 0. Now we know that this number here is real number. This one also is a real number. Now, if we add two real numbers, what would be the result? If we add two real numbers, what would be the result? Real number, bagyapon siya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's still a real number. How about the B1 and B2? Real number, bagyapon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, real number gyapon. So we have two rows na real number plus the 0 on the third row. So this vector here belongs to G. Therefore, it belongs to G. So yes. Right? So satisfy na itong duha. Now we have the third. CU is in G. Now C here is scalar. Okay. Now for CU, this is equal to C times A1, B1, C0. Okay. Now for multiplication of scalar numbers and a vector, what would be the result? What would be
CE1, B, CB1 and 0.
C A1, CB1, and 0. So now you know that C are any real number, diba? Scalar, any real number. So this is just a real number also, and a real number. Now, if we multiply two real numbers, the result would also be a real number, okay? So the same with this one. So we know that this vector here belongs to G. Now, since we satisfied all the conditions, therefore, G is a subspace of R3. Napalo?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? You have any concern? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
A thumbs up for anyone to see that you really understand the topic. Para ba lang po na kinsa ning mga naa diri karon nga buhi. Right. Sige, let's proceed with the second example. Is the zero vector of this form a subspace of R3? Yes or no? What do you think? Is the zero vector a subspace of R3? Now, kung imo na siyang tagsa-tagsaon for the solution, it would look like this. Okay? We know that this is a zero vector. So automatic, this is in R3. Diba? So we want to know if this vector here is in R3. So automatic na ani siya. Okay? This is satisfied, number 1. What number 2? U plus V is in R3. Wala man sila ang entry, di ba? 0 raman siya. So, we cannot find anything. We cannot find any vector that would not satisfy this condition. Okay? When you prove kasi, what will happen is that you will find, kung gusto niyo mo siya i-disprove nga, yes, this, dili ni siya, wala ninyo na satisfy. You will find a counter example. You will find values or you will find specific values that would not satisfy this statement here. Basically, si zero vector 0 lang yun ang sunod sa iya. So, kailangan makuha nga U and V. 0 lang na siya tanan. Okay? Okay? So basically, this one here is satisfied. Na-follow ba rin sa number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Wala kayo makita nga value or vector that would not satisfy this condition, that would not satisfy. Yes. So therefore, this condition here is satisfied. Okay, number 3, we have CU is in R3. Okay. Now C is scalar again. Right? So if we have CU, this is C times the 0 vector. Well, may lain, 0 raman. So this is equal to C0, C0, C0. Which is just basically equal to 0, 0, which is in R3. So is this a subspace? Yun siya.
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore, the 0 vector is a subspace of questions, clarifications. Sige, well, mag-una-una mo. Mag-check sa kung nag-una-una mo. Check sa ko sa intelligence. Okay. Around 14, 16. Ay, 23. Ganda mo kung hindi na ako sa 23. Okay. Ampere. State your
Present,
apelido
ma'am.
and say present ha. Apelido and then present. Ayun, Tod. Badilla.
Present, ayun dun, ma'am.
Badilla, Boyles, Badlart,
Present Bodlert, ma'am.
Kalaor, Kalimpon,
Present, ma'am. Kalaor.
Cameros, Kalimpon, Caralde,
Cameras, ma'am.
Caralde, Chavez, Cordova, Crisostomo, Dalion,
Present
Ganzo,
Dalian, ma'am.
Present Crisostomo, ma'am.
Present
Gan-
Ganzon.
Disaggio,
Present Gisadya, ma'am.
Gulang, Hamid, Habunga, Jacob,
Present Jacob, ma'am.
Lapas,
Present Lapas, ma'am.
Franco, Lozana, Makalam, Makarayan.
Ma'am.
Present Makarayan, ma'am.
Isa itong nag-present isa.
Present Makalam, ma'am. Present Makalam.
Makalam. Okay. Makarayan. Madurable. Martinez. Mitumog.
Matarable, ma'am.
Present Mitumog, ma'am.
ma'am. Present Martinez, ma'am.
Mitumog.
Okay. Nicolas.
Present Nicolas, ma'am.
Oclarit. Ole. Pacquiao. Sunod si Pacquiao. Rapliza. Rayos.
Present
Bro.
Rayos, ma'am.
Present Raplisa, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Juliano.
Present Juliana, ma'am.
Present raw, ma'am.
Okay. Tapia, Isukan,
Present Tapia, ma'am.
Ubanan.
Present Ubanan, ma'am.
Okay, wala Tisukan, wala Ole, o Clarit, Makalam. Look.
Ma'am, present makalam, ma'am.
Hindi man. Okay, lab. Ano man yun? Na si Jamila. Camila na
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Jacob. Habungga, wala. Hamid, Gulang. Cordova, Chavez, Caralde, Talimpon. Boyles, Badilla. Muna mga absent. Okay. Okay. Luzana, Jamila. Okay. Makalam. Okay. Sige. Okay, wala yung questions i-discuss today? Okay, one last example. Is R2 a subspace of R3? Is R2 a subspace of R3? Sa may dagwayan ng R2? What do you think? R2 is a vector that would look like this, no? Of this form. Okay. Then we have R3. Now, A, B, and XYZ are all real numbers, right? So is R2 a subspace of R3? Boyles, Priscilla. Okay. Wow. Got it. Is R2 a subspace of R3? Yes or no? Anyone? Subspace ba siya? Sige. Now, if we have R2, nga ni, okay, what is its zero vector look like? Sa may iyang tsura sa iyang zero vector. Di ba iyang zero vector is ingani? Madungo pa ba ko? Wala may gating.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, unsa man ang zero vector sa R3?
Tatlo
Diba?
ko zero.
Triple zero. Pareha ba na?
Dili, ma'am.
Dili. Okay? Dili na siya pareha. So, dili pa lang daan, dili na siya subspace. Naklaro?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, therefore, this is a no. Okay, dili pa lang, makita na nimo, these are, this is a vector with 2 rows only. This is a vector with 3 rows. Dili na siya mahimong subspace niya. Alahi-lahi na sila tsura. Right? Naklaro? Okay? Therefore, number 3 is not a subspace, or R2 is not a subspace of R3. Right? Any questions, clarifications sa subspace? Questions, clarifications?
Wala na, ma'am.
Right. Sige. Now, number 4, that would be your assignment. Okay? Submit it next meeting. Then, I will give a short quiz on subspace next meeting before ta mag-proceed with another topic, which is the span. Linear combination and span.